Welcome to the cosmic journey through our home galaxy, the Milky Way. From its ancient origins to its awe-inspiring structure, let's explore the history and mysteries of our galactic neighborhood. Around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was born in a violent explosion known as the Big Bang. Shortly after, about 13.6 billion years ago, the Milky Way Galaxy began to take shape from clouds of gas and dark matter. It all started with the gravitational collapse of a giant molecular cloud, setting the stage for the formation of our galaxy. In its infancy, the Milky Way was a chaotic place, filled with swirling clouds of gas and newly forming stars. These early stars played a crucial role in enriching the surrounding gas with heavier elements, essential for the formation of planets and life as we know it. As billions of years passed, the Milky Way continued to evolve, forming its iconic spiral structure. Stars were born in vast star-forming regions, adding to the galaxy's brilliance. Our Sun, for instance, formed about 4.6 billion years ago in one of these stellar nurseries, located in the Orion arm of the Milky Way. The Milky Way's growth wasn't solely due to star formation. Over billions of years, our galaxy has absorbed numerous smaller galaxies, adding their stars and material to its structure. Notable mergers include the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy, which has been gradually merging with the Milky Way over the last few billion years, and the Gaia Enceladus galaxy, which merged about 8 to 10 billion years ago. Today, the Milky Way is a vast spiral galaxy with a central bulge and multiple spiral arms. It spans over 100,000 light-years in diameter and contains hundreds of billions of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. Our solar system resides in the Orion arm, a relatively calm region compared to the bustling galactic center. Recent discoveries have unveiled even more about our galaxy. Data from the Gaia mission has revealed that many of the dwarf galaxies orbiting the Milky Way are relatively new arrivals. These discoveries challenge previous notions and suggest a more dynamic and complex galactic history. What does the future hold for the Milky Way? In about 4.5 billion years, our galaxy is predicted to collide with the Andromeda Galaxy. This cosmic event will reshape both galaxies, forming a new, larger galaxy. But until then, the Milky Way will continue to evolve, forming new stars and absorbing smaller galaxies. The Milky Way's story is one of constant change and evolution, a testament to the dynamic nature of the universe. As we continue to explore and learn more about our galaxy, we uncover the secrets of our own origins. If you enjoyed this journey through the Milky Way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic adventures. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of the universe with epic Earth-Voyager. Until next time, happy stargazing.